guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we're going to be changing the air filter on the 2016 BMW 535i F10. Pretty simple process. There's 6 T25 screws holding the box down, and pretty much you pop that up. You can also use a flat screwdriver to loosen the clamp in the back to get the cover up, and then we're going to pull the filter out, make sure it's clean in there, and then swap it out with a new one. Alright guys, so the filter we're going to be changing it out with is a OEM manufacturer. It's a MAN filter. The product number is C281251, and if you look at it, it's interesting on these cars. The filter actually has like another filter that's finer. Yeah, so there is a finer mesh filter that goes over the back. If you look at there's actually directions that show you the situation of how you have to situate the filter in the box. Pretty straightforward. So let's get to work. Probably should have taken this cover off first. There we go. That'll give us a little more room. I'll just move it to the side a little bit. And then we can lift this up a little bit. You can see how dirty that is. And there is your before and after. And if you can look in there, it's probably good to get a vacuum or something to wipe out in there. And there's a lot of crud. So I'm gonna get some papers, wipe that all out, and then we'll put the new filter in. Alright, we've got the new filter in there. As you can see, we have it pressed down. Everything fits nicely. Just want to make sure all your corners are in good. So work your way around. Just make sure it's flush. You don't want to have any gaps. Alright, and now we can get the top back down, and we can screw the T25s back to get it into place. And remember to take this cover off first if you want to get some movement here, because it does slide into this piece. Want to snug these up. Don't go too crazy. You'll feel once it kind of bottoms out and you know you're good. And just double check around it, make sure you have a good seal. And then, yep, it's a good seal all the way around. Now we can slide our cover back on. Like that. and then press it into place. Make sure that it's fixed onto the connectors. Like that. And that wraps it up. Alright guys, that's pretty much all to it. We've buttoned everything up. We've got the cover back on. Everything's back in place. And really easy 5-10 minute at the most replacement. As you can see, it was really dirty. We really needed to replace it, so that was great. If you guys are interested, I also got this off of Amazon. I'll put a link down below. It's really good. It comes with a bunch of T4 to T40 bits that you can use. They're actually security bits too. It has the drilled out part in the middle, but it came in really handy, especially on these German cars, which they like to use these Torx screws and bolts and stuff. So a nice easy install, really quick. Everything looks good. Now we're going to start it up and let's see how it runs. Alright guys, that was an easy install. Should only take you about 5-10 minutes at the very most. Easy to do, quick, simple. I'll put links down below on the screwdriver that I use with the bits, and the links to the filter that is the OEM for this, or one that you can use. Alright guys, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.